it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and welcome to our monthly YouTube hop and giveaway. So today I'll be sharing the brand new products for January, and I'll be sharing some cards. But first, let's talk about the hop. So one lucky winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. All you have to do is hop to each creator. We have a playlist in the description down below. You can press play and binge watch all of the videos in this hop. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Come back to the link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. You can unlock bonus entries there for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate. We have a brand new design team for 2025. You'll get to meet some of those designers along the way on the hop. So I am looking forward to a brand new year, and I can't wait to see what the designers come up with this year. We are so excited to bring you inspiration and creative ideas. So let's take a look at what's in your box of the month. So I have some sample cards. You can also purchase some of these items on the website. In the box of the month is the soft blue florals and the fresh start paper pad. These are available on the site as a separate purchase outside of the subscription. We also have the Party Critters and Fresh Start ephemera. You can also find those under the Not Too Shabby section in the website. These are so cute. My mom and I had so much fun creating with these cute little party animals. She did so many cards. I'm going to put some on the screen for you. She made some really cute ones doing the Kendra's Card Challenge number 17. So she even stayed an extra day just so she could finish the challenge. She was just so determined to finish that, and she was having so much fun. So that was awesome. Take a look at some of her cards. I'm going to grab some of my cards here that I did. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the cards that she did using these Party Critters. And then I'll share the cards that I did using the Fresh Start. Aren't those super cute? She did such an amazing job. And we had so much fun. Here are the cards that I did using the Fresh Start. I love it. It's just so fresh, and I love this green color, this beautiful sage color. It's so calming and peaceful. You do get the stamp set in here that says these really cute sayings. This is called Crazy Planner Lady. If it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. I love that sentiment, and I made that a focal point on this card. Use the cute little planner ephemera piece with the pen. The only way to get the stamp sets is to subscribe to our box of the month. So if you do see an opening and one happens to open up, make sure you click on the choose monthly for your frequency. That way it'll reserve your box for the following months. We got some really cute boxes coming up too. So right now the box is sold out. If I have any spots opening up later in the month, just get yourself on the wait list. I'll have a link in the description box for you. So I have coffee and stickers, Fresh Start, New Goals. Just love that. And then I have another one on the back, Plan Your Stress Away. So love how these turned out. And that was using this Fresh Start ephemera pack. You can get that one on the website. It matches perfect with the Fresh Start paper pad. And let me show you this card that my mom did using this sheet of paper. I love that, just to have that sheet of paper as your focal point. And then the soft blue florals paper. Oh my gosh, this paper is gorgeous. You can purchase this on the website under the Not Too Shabby section. The florals in here are stunning. And then you get these watercolor geometric patterns, perfect to complement the florals. So pretty. And make sure you check out Cards by Kendra. So she is using this collection to create some of her cards this month, and they are turning out so pretty. So pretty. We also have this great birthday inside greetings stamp set that you can use for the inside of your cards. And then the Fresh Blooms stamp set. So this is really pretty. I did this card using that one. I chose the Sentiment Fresh Blooms, Fresh Beginnings. We also have a paper pad club of the month. This club is open. You can subscribe. You can save 18% by choosing monthly for your frequency, and then you'll get a new set of paper pads every month, 30 days from the date you purchased. And for this club, you can opt in for the coordinating ephemera. So you'll get one pack. You'll get a pack of beautiful ephemera die cut pieces that will go with your paper pad club. So this month we have the pink and blue birthday super cute critters. They are all holding like a sign that says happy birthday, so you're going to be set for all your birthday cards with this. I will share some photos that my mom did using these cute little critters. Aren't they adorable? You can also purchase this individually on the website. Super, super cute. It goes really nicely with the soft florals paper pad. So pretty. Here's some more tags that my mom did using that. We also have the watercolor roses paper pad. In this paper pad, you get some beautiful images that you can create your own ephemera pieces. This paper is stunning. Look at those patterns, so gorgeous. Some watercolor prints, glitter. Look at the beautiful roses. Some nice gingham. You get 4 of each design, and there's those beautiful cutouts. So you can cut those out. The printing on here is gorgeous. I'll share the cards that I did using that. Here's a super cute card using the soft florals with the ephemera. So isn't that adorable? And then here's another one. This one was the cute fox. And then these here, I cut out the little images from the watercolor roses paper pad. And I also trimmed out this rose from the paper pad. Super, super cute. Lots of layers on those cards. I love a crinkled seam binding bow. So cute, right? And then another one here. Just adorable. Here's some more cards that my mom did. And then we have the stamp and die of the month. So for all of our clubs, when you sign up monthly, you get 18% off, and we do send you a juicy discount to shop with all month long with your package. If you are on our club and you want that discount earlier, just email me and I'll send it right over. So this is Party Animals. Really cute. I did a super cute slimline card, had a lot of fun coloring these cute little animals in. I created a little scene with the little tree in the background and used the sentiment, let's potty. And I did use the watercolor roses paper in the background, and I thought it turned out really cute. Added a few little jelly roll dots for the panda's eye pupils there. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the hop and see what the designers have come up with. I'm super excited to hop myself and check it out. So thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.